o le tama ana losa pele. O le tama Kolopa. O lo grandma. Excuse my scruffy look. O pisi o whea. Ia, o ngero makua kere I alo e apis McDonald's. Burger King. Was a fast food for me. But I did take her to a buffet. Power sala ke mangkuangan ngelo no grandma. It's like if emana tuanga ia lowa re avenga ia lot our Lala Grace Church. And she always talk about it all the time. My mom miss her very much. She can't be here because, well, was her COVID-19. What feel like, but her heart and spirit is here. And I always remember that my grandma would always, her favorite saying would be, I love you. I love you. And I miss her very, very much. The last time I called her before I left to Christchurch, back to look, Grandma. Grandma, what did I want to fight? I said, come. Grandma, little what fight lang yeah, me fight ko sawa ilo. Eva ay boy. Mau limo. And doesn't want to let go. I left. I don't know if she was sad, but anyways, I called her back porque foi mai ile aso my lona soifua. It took only two minutes maybe, and then umaloma soifua. Oh, even with the phone. Bye. Yeah, I miss her very, very much. I love her smile. And Grandma, I finally did the Rosalio for you, when we were at the hospital. Yeah. Koe lawa e lolo Rosalio because oa ngai foi nga pakiso ya pakema lo tongenio I ka kongo o le Catholic Church, and then I baptized to Mormon Church. So Grandma, my last laulo sadio with you at the hospital. I'm very proud of it. Hey, yeah, I wish you the very best. And manuialo malanga. You're in a better place. Love you very much. Rest in love. After.
Good evening, everybody. For those that don't know me, my name is Mason. This is my sister Maria, and this is my little brother Fraser. I'm just gonna keep this testimony short and sweet, so I'll bring up some funny memories with Grandma. Me and Grandma, I went in to visit Grandma. The last time I saw her was in hospital. She was really happy to see me. I was really happy to see her too, and I was really looking forward to surprising her when we came in front of that curtain. I walked in with a smile, and the first thing she says is, "Hello, Fraser." Yeah, Fraser. And I said, "Oh, hi, Grandma, my name's Mason." And she goes, "Oi, oh, Mason." And then Fraser walks in. She goes, "Yeah, oh, Fraser, yeah." And then she goes, "Oi, yeah, Lily." Every time I went to go visit Grandma, I was always happy. She was always getting upset when I had a conversation with Dad. She always said, "Hey, whasa mua mai, aonge ngangu mai." Because she always wanted to know what we were talking about. But every time I said a joke, she would always laugh. But she would laugh to the point where the roof almost fell off. So I really don't want to cry tonight, and I want to be strong for Grandma. Grandma, we miss you. We really do love you with all our hearts. You're in good hands now. And, give it to my sister to say some words.
Hello everyone. I'll just share a few memories with Grandma. So our dad is Filimaua, who Grandma had lived with. Grandma, one of my favorite memories of Grandma is every time we'd walk into the house and she's sitting in the lounge, she was always greeting us with a massive smile, and she was always, first thing was always telling our dad to make a ghee and to serve us. And she was always someone that was always happy. She had a happy spirit. She never wanted anything to go wrong in the family.